to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Rihanna Dancehall Mashup TikTok trend, which is actually becoming really popular and it looks hard, but I promise it's not hard at all. We're going to learn it really fast. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started. The first move we're going to do is 1. So we're going to do like a small wave and our hand goes down and then to the other side. 2. Then we're going to do this move. So we're going to hit our head, not hard, just a little bit, with our right hand, and then we're going to do a circle around our head. And then we're going to do the move that everyone is doing right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do it from the beginning, and then I'm going to explain you how to do this. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to do this, we're going to put most of our weight on our left leg, and then we're going to twist our right one, just like that. And then for our hands, they just go down, just like that. 1, like that. So we're going to do it from the beginning again, and we'll move on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then after this, we're going to pretend we have our phone in our hand, and we're going to go just like this. So we're going to do like a small slide thingy, just like that. Once again. 1. And then after this, we're going to roll our arms. So once again, 1, and then roll. So after the roll, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Now let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Phone. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after we do this, we're going to do the same thing we did before again. And then after this, we're going to put our left arm behind our head and we're going to do a circle with our right arm. And then we're going to do 1, 2. This is the move everyone is doing right now. If you want me to do a tutorial, make sure to put it down in the comments and let me know. And now, I'm going to explain really quick. We're going to sit down just like that. You don't have to like go really low like many people do when they do like exercise. No, just a little bit. And then your hands go down. You're going to go to the side a little bit and you're just going to twist your leg. And then to the other side. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. We're going to do it from the beginning again and we'll move on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Phone. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Twist and 1, 2. So after we do this, we're going to go 1, 2. So basically both our hands are in front of us and we're going to sit down a little bit. Again, I know right now it looks weird, but it's not going to be weird. And then our right arm goes, we're going to bend it back, so just like this, and we're going to twist our right leg along with our arm. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2. Then we're going to do the move that everyone did long ago, but we don't usually do it now on TikTok trends. It's like this. 1, 2, and then slide. Once again, 1, 2, slide. Perfect. Then, after the slide, we only have 2 moves left. We're gonna do like a wave to the left, wave, and then wave. And that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First, we're gonna go slow, then we're gonna go fast, and that's it. We're done. So first, let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Phone. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Twist and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and wave, wave. That's it. And now the same thing but faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. bone, roll, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, twist, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and wave, wave. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!